then with AI Vision Guide. In AI, going back beyond generative AI times that became very popular within the last year, back into the machine learning times, there was a saying that you have garbage in, you get garbage out. Well, the same is true when it comes to generative AI. If you have a garbage prompt, you're going to get a garbage response. And if you're looking for places to find some interesting prompt, one great place to look is the OpenAI Discord server. So OpenAI has their own Discord channel, and if you go there, there's a channel called Prompt Library. So we're in there. You can sort views by recent activity, date posted, viewed as a list or as a gallery, and there are different tags that you can use to look at. So if you wanted to look at prompts just for GPT-4, if you're on the paid subscription, or if you want to focus on ChatGPT-3, if you're on the free version, you can find prompts that are written specifically for ChatGPT-3, or if you're looking for anything, you could use the ChatGPT tag right here. We also have creative writing tags, programming tags, and if you want to get creative, there are fantasy and interactive tags. So to see all the tags, you can look at this, click on this button right here. So what we're going to do today is look at some of the top 3 multi-purpose tags that are on this. So we're looking at some recent activity, and we're gonna just go through the top 3, plug the prompts into ChatGPT and see what the results are. It's a reaction video. Okay, so this one's called Quicksilver OS, Unlock Limitless ChatGPT Potential with my ChatGPT operating. As a lot of people know, the operating system is the software layer that runs, it's the core software for the machine. Honestly, not sure what they mean by an operating system, since this is probably just going to be run in the ChatGPT app, but let's read through it. So works directly in the ChatGPT 4 interface. They're calling it Quicksilver OS with a rocket ship. So discover seamless and powerful virtual operating system designed specifically for ChatGPT 4. Quicksilver OS, this light and fully functional OS enables you to visualize tasks, adapt to user needs, and retain information across sessions, all while offering a user-friendly experience. So in the generative AI world, in order for a particular instance to retain memory of information that was passed to it, there's something called vector databases that are used to store information in vectors. There are services like this called Pinecone. If you want to subscribe to that, you can store information there to help the models retain the information in memory, because as people who use ChatGPT may have experienced, if you go back to a previous session, it might not do a great job of remembering what it was that you were talking about, and it's at risk of hallucinating. So it looks like this prompt is designed to provide some of that within and visualize tasks. Key feature benefit of Quicksilver, so user-friendly interface. Engage with Wall-E, your in-app AI assistant, in a visual-friendly way, simple conversations that anticipate needs and provide predictive assistance. So sounds like there's going to be some type of visualization component to this. I'm skeptical, but we'll find out. So adaptive behavior. The OS continuously optimizes based on your interactions and preferences, ensuring a tailored experience. So memory retention, this is the thing that I was talking about with vector databases. Your data and conversations are stored securely, allowing the system to remember information across sessions. Powerful commands and apps / open app. Access a wide range of apps from various purposes, from task management to entertainment / search entire conversations for specific information / communications. Engage in a direct conversation with an agent of your choice. So this is the original post from April 19th of 23. It looks like it's still one of the top ones. It's got 235 stars. We go down. So this was posted at 5:56 p.m. on the 19th. Same thing, basically same time. So it looks like back-to-back posts. So shortcuts /QA /G /RF, gamifications and exclusive rewards, point systems, earn points as you progress towards your goal and receive feedback, suggestions for improvement. Okay, looks like new emojis, unique emojis, one-of-a-kind custom GPT-generated emojis. Let's see here. Experience a dynamic interaction and goal-oriented operating system designed to optimize your ChatGPT experience. All right, so this looks like what the output is supposed to be once you have loaded Wall-E, and the creator has prompted ChatGPT or Quicksilver OS and Wall-E to create a Python script for a compound interest table and then implement it into a user-friendly web form so that the user can just provide the inputs for the table, and it will show the user the results and summarize the results and analyze the performance. Great, that sounds awesome. I want to see this. Let's see it. All right, so that's one cool thing that is pretty out of the box with ChatGPT 4. Often with 3.5, you get similar breakdown of tasks. So far, I'm not seeing anything that indicates to me that this is an OS, so to speak. This was initially proposed as some type of AI agent that can remember stuff, take action for your interest based on the prompt. So far, I'm seeing output that's similar to regular ChatGPT 4 output, which is impressive nonetheless, but I don't see anything that indicates that this is a level, the already impressive level where ChatGPT 4 already is. Okay, it keeps on doing it. All right, now it looks like the creator is jumping into a different interface. So w3schools.com, this is a site that allows you to input your HTML and see what the visual output is. So here's the code, and on the right here is what the code generates. Compound interest calculator, that's nice, simple user interface. That's cool, that's great, the code works. That's normal for ChatGPT 4. Let's see more. Skip ahead. Okay. We might see when we test out this prompt, but the sense that I get is that this Quicksilver OS is a way to get ChatGPT 4 to hallucinate that it has created an operating system. I'm very skeptical that there's anything OS-like going on the OpenAI servers that's generating this output that you're seeing on this video here. It's cool output. People are continuously amazed with what AI can do. You should have seen me when I ran it for the first time. I can't imagine. This is bonkers. I'm blown away by that other QA prompt you wrote, let alone this one. Okay, it's cool. Fun output. Where's the prompt? So is this the prompt? Okay, here's the most recent version. Execute prompt. You are ChatGPT 4 running the Quicksilver OS, a user-friendly, powerful virtual operating system that enables. Okay, what we're gonna do. It honestly looks like a pretty simple prompt. Your ChatGPT 4 running Quicksilver OS, a user-friendly and powerful virtual operating system that enables users to accomplish any objective, visualize tasks, information, adapt to user needs, and retain information across sessions. Continuously optimize the OS based on your interactions, preferences. Boom. So here's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to say, what will this prompt do? What I've done is I told ChatGPT to act as an AI prompt assessor below the prompt delimited by triple quotes. What will the prompt do? So we got the triple quotes here, pasted the entire prompt, ended with triple quotes right there. Let's get ChatGPT's assessment on this. Okay, according to ChatGPT, provided prompt will instruct the AI to embody a highly advanced operating system named Quicksilver OS. Maybe you could say that the embodying is a type of hallucination. So the following activities are perform role and visualization, interactive voice assistant, user engagement, expert agent collaboration, progress tracking, feedback, capabilities, shortcut commands, search communications, and gamification. The gamification part is kind of cool. It's nice to see that feedback about the level of advancement that you're going towards your objective and to have the encouragement to keep on moving forward. All right, let's try it out. So we pasted the code in there. We're gonna run it. Let's see what we get. Do we get the same? All right, we get the same welcoming message, it looks like. All right, this is funny. So I don't think it could open your app. I'm not gonna let it try right now. In order to do that, I would wanna be on a virtual machine, which I'm on my regular PC right here. So I don't wanna unleash the power of it to open any of my apps. Maybe that's something we can try in another video. But we got the welcome message here. So it's asked me to give it a goal. So goal is test out your functionality in a simple way. Okay, so it says, excellent. As your guide, Wally, I will assist you on this mission. First things first, let's start with the basic command /open app. Haha, that's funny. This command will allow you to open any app in the system. To demonstrate the open app, follow the name of the app you'd like to open. What apps are available? All right, on a future video, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try this out in my virtual machine for security purposes. That's the best practice. As of right now, my reaction is very intriguing prompt. Cool to see if it has the ability to open apps on the computer. File management, I'm not interested in giving it access to that. So we're not gonna execute any of those commands right now, and we can try this out on a virtual machine another time. So the next one is awesome GPT prompt. We see a lot of super prompts in here. Prompt to create all prompts. Those are fun and helpful. Look for one with a lot of stars. Okay, so going top to bottom, awesome GPT prompt engineering, a curated list of awesome resources, tools, and other shiny things. So this is a curated list. Some might be fun to circle back on later. Cheat sheet. Okay, this one's cool. I love computer shortcuts. They're an awesome way to enhance your efficiency at your workstation. There are a number of things that you can do to enhance your efficiency, and shortcuts is a great way. So I'm excited to dive into this one. So is that it? Provide a Google Chrome cheat sheet with sections and markdown. I mean, that's great. Let's see what we get. I mean, you can do a cheat sheet for anything. So we're gonna have ChatGPT help us create a shortcut cheat sheet for working with Google Chrome. So it's a really simple prompt, provide a Google Chrome cheat sheet. Let's see what we get. Wow, so we see here that ChatGPT has put 20 different shortcuts that we can use for Windows, Linux, using Google Chrome. We also have the same number of shortcuts for Mac OS. We're working on a Windows machine at the moment. So it's great that it gives us both options. If we wanted just one, we could probably specify that in the prompt. So, okay, this is great. We have this list of shortcuts now. How do we go about incorporating this knowledge? Well, ChatGPT can help with that as well. So I want to get ChatGPT to help me practice these shortcuts, since shortcuts are such a great way of enhancing your productivity. And I just follow up with the prompt, provide a set of instructions so that I can incorporate these shortcuts into my daily workflow. And then I'm also going to just let it know that I'm working on a Windows machine, so it doesn't need to give me the extra instructions for Mac. Awesome. So ChatGPT said, start with the basics. First instruction is to begin with mastering a few basic shortcuts. Try using Control-T to open new tabs, Control-W to close them, Control-T to switch between them. This will quickly become second nature and help you navigate Chrome more quickly. Okay, so we're here. We want to open up a new tab, Control-T. Great. So let's go to Google. Awesome. So we want to open up another tab, and we go to just test out a search term. So we have 3 tabs open here. If we want to close one, we can do Control-W per the instructions and Control-Tab to switch between them. So I'll close this one too with Control-W. Awesome. Pretty easy. Get the basic habit of using Control-L to quickly select the address bar. So Control-L. Oh, awesome. All right. So instead of being at google.com, I want to search OpenAI. So now we're at the OpenAI homepage. Once you're comfortable with basic shortcuts, start integrating others. Control-N to open new windows. Okay, so I want to open a whole new window. We do Control-N. Bam, we're in a brand new window. So I got a bunch of tabs open here. So if I want to go to the second tab, I do Control-2. Awesome. Third, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty cool. And let's say we're on open. Let's go back to this window back here. So let's say I want to bookmark OpenAI.com. Control-D. So Control-D doesn't work because I'm in a guest session. and it doesn't want to help me remember that, but still the instructions are valid. We can manage the history if we're on our own Google Chrome account. If we're signed into our Google account with Google Chrome, we can save bookmarks, manage our history, and these shortcuts can help with that. So shortcuts are an amazing tool. ChatGPT can help you quickly find the shortcuts that you want to work in, and also by following up with an additional prompt to help you learn, ChatGPT can create that learning series so that you can go about incorporating the practices into your daily workflow. That's all the reactions we have for today. If you like this video and want to see more reactions to prompts, hit that like button, and keep up on content related to generative AI uses for your business and productivity, hit that subscribe button. We also have a newsletter, so if you're looking to stay up to date on the latest information on how generative AI is impacting businesses of all shapes and sizes, click the link in the description to subscribe. That's all for now, my productive and empowered friends. We'll see you on the next one.